What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be doing a follow-up to the K'A'RCHER Lithium Ion Pressure Washer by doing a tutorial and review of the foam kit accessory and wash and wax solution. Now, the K'A'RCHER Lithium Ion Pressure Washer allows you to wash your car anywhere and complete other small jobs. Now, when this system is combined with the foam jet accessory and the wash and wax solution, you optimize your car washing potential. Now, this can be an optimal solution if you have a situation like myself where I live in an apartment complex where faucet and water hose use is not allowed. Now, if you're interested in any of these items, you can find them at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. As always, I only feature products or services I buy or would like to buy. This gives the channel more credibility and appeal because we feature items that interest me and change the way we live. Don't have time to watch the whole video? We're now a podcast you can find on multiple platforms by searching for Pixels Cracked. You can also support the podcast by downloading the Anchor app and making a small monthly donation on that platform. And if you are listening to this on a podcast, you can find the more detailed video and YouTube channel by searching for Pixels Cracked as well. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. First, we have the foam jet with detergent tank. One of the functions I love about the K'A'RCHER pressure washer is how the accessories feature quick release functionality, and that carries over to the foam jet. The detergent tank removes quickly and easily with a twist. The foam jet accessory also attaches quickly to the trigger gun, just like the spray lance did. And it also removes quickly and easily. The foam jet also features a detergent regulation knob with end stops, and it turns smoothly and features good resistance. A spray level adjustment is also found on the end of the unit and can be turned counterclockwise or clockwise. Next, we have the K'A'RCHER Vehicle Wash and Wax. The mixture instructions indicate 1 part of detergent is needed with 20 parts of water, and 1 gallon of the K'A'RCHER Vehicle Wash and Wax makes about 20 gallons of solution. That being said, let's start the car wash demonstration. So most of the battery is still here. We've got 2 green LEDs, which is pretty good. If I packed up more water, I could keep going. I'm gonna turn this off, get all the water out, and pack it up. So anyways, I just washed my car in a random parking lot, and that's just hilarious to me. You can literally take this equipment anywhere with you and wash your car anywhere. Now, of course, for me, this is big because I live in an apartment complex, and again, we can't wash our car there. We can't use the faucet connection. You can't use a hose. So this is a workaround to be able to do that. Now, this system works really good. The key to having it work at maximum efficiency is keeping the tank always full, the water tank. When the water tank goes empty, the soap doesn't dispense properly. Now, as for battery on the unit, there was still a good amount of battery remaining. In fact, if I had more water, I could have kept going. And the other thing to remember is you can combine this with a sponge or a wash mitt. And ideally, I would have dried the car off. I was just hurrying up to get this video done. Now, before I did the wash that you've seen in this video, I did wax the car previously, and I washed it using the K'A'RCHER Lithium Ion Portable Pressure Washer. Now, I actually did this previous wash with car wash soap, a bucket, and a wash mitt because I didn't have the foam sprayer at that time. And that wash actually went really good as well. Now, this being the second wash, I gotta say I am really impressed with this unit. I would recommend it to anyone who's looking to wash their car pretty much anywhere, or if you're looking to get small jobs done. I like that the unit is quick to assemble and quick to disassemble, and that's going to be great for portability. I like that the unit also rolls along with you when you pull it by the high pressure hose. It works really well. Now, you did see in the video that it did get stuck a few times. That's because there were some fairly large twigs on the pavement there, but if that weren't the case, this thing would have rolled around with no problem. And the pavement that we're working on, it's not perfectly flat either. So that is pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or I would like to buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content.
Sir, notification from Android system. It says connect to open Wi-Fi network.
That's in the video. We're going to leave that in the video. The next way to support the content is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can support the content is just by clicking the subscribe or follow button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are your ways to vote on whether you like the video or the podcast. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon, checking out.
Yeah.